Myntra fashion haul. So I did a Flipkart fashion haul few videos back. If you guys have not checked it out, then check it out right here. It was also a nice haul. So as promised in that video, I told you guys that another haul video is also coming up. So today I have it. Today it's going to be Myntra haul. So let's get started with the video. The first thing which I got from Myntra was this leather pant. Now this is full leather, it's not faux leather, so the shine is a little bit less than that of the faux leather pants, but this is also really nice. It does not look so shiny on the camera, but when you will be wearing it, I think it looks fine. It just looks like a normal leather pant. I really like the texture, not that high-waisted or it's not that low-waisted. For me, it comes to my mid-waist area and I really like the length of it. It just goes fine with my length. I also like the whole black color, the shape of it. It just goes a little bit above my ankle. I will insert some pictures of the pant when I was wearing it. It just has this one button, totally love it. I just love everything about it, and I love leather so much. It pairs, when I pair it with my leather jacket, it just looks so phenomenal together. So let me show you guys how it looks on me. And the next thing that I have is this onion pink color of a long maxi dress. I really love the color of it. It's full sleeve, so if you are into elegant or modest fashion, then again I think this gown is a really great option for you. I have also shown some elegant options in my Flipkart haul, so definitely make sure that you check those out. So I really like the length of it, I like the color of it. It's a little bit pricier, I think it's above, it's like within 1500 or so, but the quality is really nice. It also has this black net kind of detailing here, so when I'll be wearing it, I'll be showing it to you guys at how pretty it looks, and it just complements your body so nice. The color is really pretty. I think it will go with every skin tone, and there are these small kind of golden buttons. So everything about this dress is very princessy and very beautiful, starting from the color, the details, everything. You can pair it up with heels or you can make it basic with sneakers. You can do any hairstyle and the dress will do the work for you because it's just so pretty. It has these ribbon kind of things so that you can cinch in your waist so as to give a little bit more definition to your body, because it's a whole A-line gown, so you need a little bit of something to give a structure to your waist. So this is my next purchase. I got is this blue colored top. So this is also a very pretty color. I love the color. It has this button down thing on both the sleeve areas, and this is the wrap kind of thing, so you just have to wrap it around your waist area. I'll be showing it to you guys in just a second. And the quality is really nice. As compared to Flipkart, I think the quality of the clothes of Myntra are really nice. As you can see from the camera, the quality is really nice. It's firm and the clothing piece does not look like worn out or wrinkled, and it's open in this area, so that is where you'll be using these straps to make it like a wrap top. And it also has this ruffle kind of an open detailing at the bottom, so it looks really pretty when you tie it really nice together. So let me show it to you guys. The next thing that I got is pretty simple one, and that is this simple basic yellow top, but it's not just that basic. It has this detailing in the sleeve area, so I really like this black and yellow combo. I really like this whole basic thing. So here it's a little bit blank, but maybe I'll do something with it. Really basic. You can pair it up with a denim skirt or even with my black leather pants. So I think a basic thing like this is really important and is a wardrobe essential, because then you can pair it up with so many things. The neck is also not that broad. The clothing material is really nice. It's not see-through. As I said, the clothing material of Myntra pieces are really nice. They are really firm and they do not look wrinkled as it happens with that of the Flipkart clothes. And this is the next thing that I got. Guys, my last clothing piece is this one, which I have already worn so many times. I'm sure if you guys follow me on Instagram, you have seen me wearing this dress, and if you guys do not follow me on Instagram, then please do follow me on Instagram. My link will be down below in the description box and you can go and follow me from there. So this is this dress. It's also a wrap dress. I really love black and white patterns, so I am more into patterns than prints, and whenever I see anything pattern, I have to get it, I have to grab it. I love the material of this one. I was not sure if it would be see-through or not. I thought it would be more like a shrug kind of a thing, but the quality, as I said, is really nice. It has this collar which gives this little bit more structure, and I'll be wearing it and you guys will get an idea on how it looks. So again, this is a wrap dress, so these are the things which you are going to tie around your waist to give it a little bit more structure and wrap it around your body. So again, this is a very long dress. It's very modest, although it's a wrap dress and it does not have any buttons or chains, but still if you tie it properly, I don't think any part of your body will be visible if you tie it really nice well. Again, it's not see-through. The clothing material is really nice. The sleeves are long and the length is again very appropriate, and I don't know if you guys can see the entire length of it, but again I'll be wearing it and showing it to you guys, and I really like it. It's a little bit asymmetrical at the bottom. I'll insert some pictures here so that you get a little bit more thorough idea about it. And love the sleeves, love black and white color. Anything in black and white color has to be in my wardrobe. Love the pattern, and a little bit chubbier, or if you're a little bit fat, or if you have that bump in your stomach, which I have, then I think wrap dresses are a great option because they just hide it and they give so much more height and proportion to your body. It makes you look so much more slimmer, and not only that, it also gives height to your body. So I think these are really great options. So guys, with that we come to the end of my haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this Myntra haul, and links to all these items will be down below in the description box. So for me, my final verdict is that the quality of these clothes are really nice. You can go with any of the pieces. Links will be down below and you can get any of the pieces because I think the color is really nice, the quality is really nice, and the structure and style of all these tops are so different, and these dresses as well are so different. So I'm sure you can go and get any of these. And so tell me guys if you enjoyed this, like this video. Tell me if you want more fashion hauls down below in the comment box. Subscribe to my channel. I post 2 videos every week, and again my next video is also going to be a haul. I don't know when that video will be ready because I'm going to make some videos on Christmas, but again I have another Flipkart haul for you guys, so stay tuned for that as well. And in the meantime, you guys can follow me on my Instagram. I would love to have you there as well, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.